Hey guys, we're here today to replace the side markers on the front bumper of my MK6 GTI. And I've actually done something I don't normally do. I've done the other side already just to get a better idea of how to do this. And if I'm being honest, I really didn't need to. The first time I tried to get ahead of the game, I didn't really need to. It is incredibly intuitive to replace these. And then I have a bit of a hot take. I've seen a lot of people say that these side markers, that orange or amber I think is the technical color, are hideous, ugly, and replace them with these immediately. Now, these are objectively cooler, I will say that, but I don't get the hate for those side markers. I think they're fine. They're just a part of the car. Some people get a new car and the first thing they do is replace those orange side markers. And I'm like, I mean, yeah, it looks cooler, but like, as you can tell, this was low on my priority list. It took me about 16 months, 18 months to do it. I mean, it's gonna look great, but it's still not that bad. So I just also wanted to show you guys a couple of tips and tricks and tips and all those good words of just how I was able to do it so quickly. The instructions for these say to pry it out from back here, but I've got a better way and I'm gonna show you. So the instructions tell you to pry off the side marker from the bumper, albeit the instructions I had seemed to be outdated and they were actually talking about a Mark 5 GTI, not a Mark 6, but don't risk messing up your bodywork by trying to get a screwdriver in there. Instead, if I can do this with my right hand, you're gonna want to pry off, if I can get it. This in here. This gives you access to the fog light bulb and a tab back here that I'll show you in a second. So on the back of these side markers, right here is a tab. And if you actually go back around in here and reach up and in, you can simply press that tab, this one right here, pull it out. That easy. Don't try to pry it, it won't go well. And then, pull this off. I'm actually gonna be taking the bulb out. And putting the new one in. Hopefully I didn't just scratch it. I think someone called this a resistor. Definitely isn't a light of any kind. That's gonna go in and that simply plugs into the only port that it can go into. And then, get that out of the way. Take what was the headlight housing, plug in the other socket in that. These are LEDs in here, so that will go together. And then you're actually gonna want to, if I can show it to you, they want you to press this in so it locks in to that right there. Yep, being focused. This, I don't really know, I just kind of threw it back there. Someone might have a better way of doing it. Then there's this tab right here, goes in first once you find it. There it is. And then wait for it, pull this out, press it in, pull off the tape, voila, it is in. So now, let's see if it works. Why is this one not working? This one is. This one isn't. Let's see. Shush it. Very strange here, that lines up. I think I had it wrong the first time. Oh, the irony of the one that I actually videoed decides not to work. Go around to the other side. See? That one's working. I mean, looks great. This one is just deciding to throw a fit. See if we can get it fixed. After fiddling around for a little bit, I found out that it just appears to be an electrical issue with the wires connecting to the side marker, not the side marker itself. I plugged in the old bulb, tried other things, turned the lights on and off again, and this side just doesn't want to work. It is weird considering the fog light is connected to the same loom and it is working. I know they're going to be separate wires, but weird that just one appears to not be working. However, these look fantastic, and on the side where they do work, they look even better. But I wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe learned something, maybe not. That's okay. We're here to have fun. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Have a great day. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye.